there's another possible free Discord Nitro offer. And see, it's a 2 weeks trial. We will get into that. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. First, I want to address why I put everyone in my YouTube titles and thumbnail for free Nitro when only people who haven't had Nitro for 12 months or new users can claim it. Well, everyone still can, if you create a new account. So now back to the topic, we got these reveal thingies. First says share Nitro and other two are kinda useless, so don't bother. Alright, what is this share Nitro? Lucky for you, some generous Nitro subscribers can share trials with their friends. As a friend, you'll get a 2-week taste of the Nitro life, custom emojis, animated avatars, and more. But before you get too excited, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, only real Nitro members, not Classic or Basic, can share trials. Also, you can't receive a trial if you've had one in the past month. If your friend can share a trial, they'll send it through a DM. Make sure it's legit before you click. Once you redeem the trial, enjoy the upgrade for 2 weeks. I assume allowing only new users to use this feature is quite similar to how only new users can claim Nitro offers. It kinda sucks, but it is what it is after all. However, there's a huge possibility that they will give away free 2 weeks Nitro. But take this information with a grain of salt.